Hello friends. In this video, we'll go over how to properly clean your lip gloss tubes. You can also apply this method to cleaning your lip gloss squeeze tubes. You'll need gloves, your lip gloss tubes, an antibacterial soap, a colander, and a container to wash them in. I bought these containers from Dollar Tree. They also come with lids. Remove your tubes from the manufacturer's packaging and place them into the bowl. Squeeze out a small amount of antibacterial soap and add water to the container. Move the tubes around in the water and keep doing this, adding water and draining the water until the water becomes clear. I did this about 10 times. Once the water becomes free of soap, then you want to transfer your tubes from the container to the colander. Transfer them to the colander to give them a final rinse before adding them to a clean container to dry. I let them dry for 3 days. Over this time, I continuously change the position. They may be laying flat, and then they will be upright, and then they will be upside down, making sure that all of the water has dried, especially for the wands because there are little crevices where the water can collect. And you want to make sure that they are fully dried before you add your lip gloss ingredients.